It walks, it flies, it drives. No, this isn't a line from a futuristic blockbuster. This is real. This is X1, Caltech's shape-shifting robot that's rewriting the laws of motion. For years, we've seen robots that could walk, robots that could fly, and some that could roll. But one that can do all three, seamlessly, intelligently, and autonomously, that's something new. This is not just a robot, it's an idea made real. A glimpse of a future where machines don't just follow commands, they decide. How X1 developed. At the California Institute of Technology, deep inside the Center for Autonomous Systems and Technologies, a small team of engineers has been quietly building something extraordinary. They call it the X1 system, a fusion of humanoid robotics and drone engineering, co-developed with the Technology Innovation Institute in Abu Dhabi. Imagine this: a human-sized robot walks down a hallway, its movements smooth, deliberate, on its back, something that looks like a sleek metallic backpack. But this isn't a power supply, it's a secret weapon. Because when the terrain changes, when the robot faces a wall, a river, or a collapsed bridge, the backpack comes alive. The outer panels shift, rotors unfold, and with a low mechanical roar, it takes off. That backpack is actually M4, a multi-modal robot that can fly, drive, and transform in seconds. The humanoid robot beneath it? That's the Unitree G1, modified by Caltech's engineers to act as the muscle of this hybrid duo. Together, they form something that's never existed before: a modular robot system that can walk, fly, and drive in perfect harmony. Why this is a big deal? You see, most robots are specialists. They're built for one job, one terrain, one purpose. A drone can scout above ground, but it can't open a door. A humanoid can walk on land, but it can't cross a river or climb a cliff. X1 changes that rulebook completely, because for the first time, a robot can choose the best way to move. It can walk where the ground is stable, fly when it meets an obstacle, and drive when it needs speed or endurance. That adaptability is exactly what makes X1 so revolutionary. It's like a transformer, but one that actually works inside the machine. Now, let's pull back the curtain. The X1 isn't magic. The M4 drone is equipped with LiDAR sensors, stereo cameras, and rangefinders that give it 360-degree awareness. It can map its environment, detect obstacles, and plan routes in real time. The Unitree G1 carries it, supports it, and communicates with it through an integrated control system that allows both machines to share data like neurons in a single brain. Together, they function as a single organism. Claudio Tortorici, director at TII, describes it best. The X1 system doesn't just move, it understands where it is. That's the real leap here, the ability to act, not react.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
The test, Caltech Live Demonstration. When Caltech finally unveiled X1 on its Pasadena campus, the demonstration felt almost cinematic. The humanoid robot began its journey across the courtyard, steady, deliberate steps echoing against the concrete. Ahead, a body of water blocked its path. It paused. Sensors flared to life. Data streamed between the two systems. Then, the backpack detached. The M4 lifted into the air, hovered over the pond, and glided smoothly to the other side. Once it landed, its rotors folded in, wheels deployed, and it began driving forward. Moments later, it reattached to the G1 and the pair resumed walking together, as if nothing extraordinary had happened. Except it was extraordinary, because that wasn't just a robot performing a task, it was a robot thinking. Autonomy, the new frontier. Aaron Ames, Caltech's director of CAST, has a bold philosophy. For robots to be truly useful, they can't just imitate us, they have to operate without us. And that's what the X1 is all about. Most humanoid robots rely on pre-programmed human movements. But X1 generates its own actions based on live data from the world around it. It doesn't copy humans, it learns from physics, from motion, from experience. This is the beginning of true autonomy. Robots that don't just follow orders, but understand missions. It's the difference between pressing start and saying, find the fastest way across that terrain, and don't come back until you do. The team that made it possible. Behind every leap in technology is a story of collaboration. The X1 wasn't just a Caltech project. It was a global fusion of minds. Caltech's Ames lab handled the walking and locomotion control. CAST's Garib group designed the M4's morphing mechanisms. TII in Abu Dhabi developed the autonomy and onboard AI. And Northeastern University engineered the transformation mechanics that make all this seamless. It's a machine born not from competition, but cooperation. Maury Garib, the founding director of CAST, called it one of the most complex integrations in robotics history, because uniting walking, flying, and driving into one coherent intelligence isn't just engineering, it's evolution.
Tired of your coffee going cold? The Ember mug keeps your drink perfectly hot, so the last sip is as good as the first. The perfect upgrade for you, or a great gift for our loved ones. Click the link in the comments section to buy now.
Why you should care. All right, let's talk about what this really means for you and me. This isn't about showing off at a tech conference. It's about survival. Imagine a collapsed city after an earthquake. Human rescuers can't get through the rubble, but X1 can. It can walk over unstable debris, detach its drone to scout higher floors, then roll across gaps to deliver supplies, all without risking a single human life. Or imagine an exploration mission on another planet. Thin atmosphere, uneven terrain, no roads, no safety nets. You'd want a system that can adapt to anything. That's what X1 is designed for. A robot that doesn't just exist in the lab, but thrives in the chaos of the real world. The next step, teaching robots to think in goals. Now that X1 can move, the next challenge is to make it think in missions. Right now, engineers can give it a sequence of steps. Walk here, fly there, scan this area. But the dream is much bigger. In the future, you'll just tell it what you want done. Find the survivors, map the ruins, deliver this package, and it'll decide how to do it. Walk if it must, fly if it can, drive if it's faster. That's mission-level intelligence. Aaron Ames calls it the path to robust autonomy. A world where you can trust a robot not just to move, but to understand. A new era of machines. If you stand in that Caltech lab, surrounded by the quiet hum of servos and the faint buzz of drone rotors, you can almost feel the shift. We've entered a new era, where robots don't just mimic life, they redefine it. The X1 system isn't science fiction. It's the first glimpse of what's coming next. Machines that can cross any terrain, adapt to any situation, and work side by side with humans, not as tools, but as partners. And if that sounds familiar, it's because this is how every major revolution starts. The first computers couldn't even play music. The first drones could barely stay in the air. Now, we have a robot that can walk, fly, and drive, all on its own. The X1 may look like a machine, but in its movement, there's something more, something almost alive. The future is already here. So what happens next? Maybe in a few years, you'll see X1's descendants helping in disaster zones, exploring Mars, or guiding people through cities built for both humans and machines. Or maybe when you hear a faint whir in the distance, you'll look up and see something that walks, flies, and drives, and realize the future isn't coming, it's already here. If this story blew your mind, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep tech stories, and remember, every revolution starts with one impossible idea.